Hey, it's time to talk about something that hits almost everyone. Rent. You've probably heard it everywhere. Rent prices in the US are exploding. But is that the whole story? Let's dig in. First, let's get the facts straight. Right now, the median national rent is about $1,925 a month. That's high, no question. But here's the kicker. Rents have actually stabilized or even dipped a little since last year. In August 2025, rents were just a hair lower than the month before. No massive spikes. But don't breathe easy just yet. There are places where rent is still out of control. Take Naples, Florida. The median rent there is $3,200. That's 64% higher than the national average. Even with a slight drop this year, it's still mostly out of reach unless you're rolling in cash. Now here's where things get interesting. Not every city is following the same script. In fact, some places are flipping the story on its head. Check out Sarasota, Florida. Last year, rents there dropped by, wait for it, over 40%. That's not a typo. It went from $3,290 to $1,886 in just a year. How? The city relaxed rules on building more apartments, spent big on affordable housing, and made it easier to get permits. Suddenly, there were more places to live, so prices fell, fast. It's not just Sarasota. In Fort Myers, rents fell 9% in a year. Providence, Rhode Island saw a 19% drop, and Minneapolis rents dropped 11% after the city ditched single-family zoning. Austin, Texas pumped out new apartment buildings faster than anywhere else in the country, and rents cooled down there too. So, what's making the difference? It's the cities that are saying yes to more housing, more apartments, more density, faster permits. Where cities let builders build, rents go down. Where building is still tough, rents stay high. But, and it's a big but, even as some cities get relief, others, especially the fancy ones, are still sky high. Naples is still pricey, and statewide, Florida rents hover way above the national average. Hurricanes and crazy insurance prices have pushed more homes onto the rental market, but in the most desirable zip codes, demand just keeps outpacing supply. Here's the bottom line. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The tale of exploding rents is complicated. It depends on where you live and, crucially, what your city is doing about housing. The data is crystal clear. When cities make it easier and cheaper to build, rents come down. If you want lower rent, it might be time to ask your city, what's standing in the way? That's the real story behind the headlines. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more big questions made simple.